Class, let's try a quick single answer question. Pick up your tablets.
Ever wish you could just know what all your students are thinking right at that moment? Yeah, it's a huge challenge, right? Knowing if everyone in the class is really getting it.
So, say hello to HiTeach. It's this award-winning platform that brings all your tools together.
So you can stop juggling apps like Kahoot or Miro. This saves you so much time. Let's check out its power with just one simple tool, the single answer question.
Look how quick this is. In just 4 simple steps, you can launch a question.
And boom, you get this super clear visual of what the whole class thinks, instantly.
And the best part? You're not guessing anymore. You get 100% active participation, every single student.
Okay, so you've got the data. Now what? How do you make it a real teachable moment?
This is where it gets really cool. You use a feature called Smart Pickup.
You can pick a student from any answer bar and turn that data into a real conversation.
So you can adjust your teaching on the fly based on what your students actually need.
And get this, that was just one feature. It's really just the tip of the iceberg.
Want to see how easy this is to use? You've got to check out the Quick Start demo.